can't find my rifle, so today we just have the revolver and the handgun.
She has a fucking rifle, guys. Stay away from her. Sensei.
Yeah.
Question.
Uh-huh.
How does one tell? How do I know that this is my target?
Well, you know what? It's good to shoot not moving and not alive targets, I think.
Oh.
Yeah.
It's good to shoot dead? What?
Yeah.
I'll try the right side one.
I wasn't looking again.
Mommy!
Yeah. You want to try automatic?
Oh,
Yeah.
If you trust me with that?
Yeah, you just stop pressing when you want to stop shooting.
Okay.
Yeah, I really...
Ame's dead! I take her home now! Miami! Miami now!
Alright, I'm gonna fade out now. Any last words? It's my stream, I can end it! Alright, that's it, that's her last words. Goodbye, everybody. Thank you for watching. Thank you for waiting for this stream. Sorry for the delay. なるほど。